Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing. I got my Sugarsmuses box in. I'm a little confused. I usually get the deluxe box, and usually it's a lot bigger than this. So it's the first time that I'm getting Sugarsmuses box that doesn't say deluxe. So I'm hoping this is not a mistake and they gave me the smaller box. So because there's two different boxes. So let's see. This is September's box. Nope, it says Deluxe Muse, so maybe it just doesn't need to be in a big box this month. So this is what it looks like when I opened it. And we will share this together. Let me lower this so we can, oops. Okay, guys. All right, so usually tells you what's in the box and the paperwork, so I'm going to save this for last. This is one of my favorite boxes. All right, so my bond Sabbath, the Witch's Thanksgiving for prosperity, wisdom, balance, and gratitude. September 2019 Deluxe Muse box. So I will save this for later. And we will start off with the first beautiful thing that I see. This beautiful artwork that says Mabon Spells. Very beautiful. And of course it has on it the spell for community prosperity on here. It has the magical attributes and all kinds of good information about Mabon on here. It's a beautiful piece of paper, cardboard, thick, great for your book of shadows. Absolutely love it. So we got that. And then each month we also get one of these black envelopes, but it looks like a little stamp seal sticker of a leaf. And actually this one doesn't look like a leaf. This one looks a little different. This one might be a rose or something. Anyway, they usually give you a tarot card, so let's see what this one has in it. Ooh. It is this card, and it says inspiration. I know exactly what deck this is from because I have this deck. This is a very good magical spell deck. Like it. Okay. And then we got this pretty paper this month. And this is what it looks like when I wow. Okay. So, first thing is they give you this card about their other box, the Midnight Muses, which is an awesome another box they have. Okay. First thing I see is this bag of sunflower seeds. And on the bottom is a little charm on the bag. You can see that. Let me see. Oh, it's very sorry, I see the glare. Owl charm right there. That is cool. So we got that. Then I see this here. Oh, it's falling apart, so let me try to get it back together without destroying it. Okay. Very delicate. But it's very cute. Palo Santo. Oops. With this herb and look like baby's breath, but it just fell out. Let me try to see if I can get it. I don't know what kind of, and I have this yellow flower. Let me see if I can get it back in there. Today everything's falling apart. Okay. There we go. Very pretty for the altar. And then I see a little bag of acorns, which is a very good thing from Mabon. Okay. Now, I see right here on top in this burgundy bag. And look how pretty. Everything's always tied to the T. Absolutely perfect. I did another unboxing, so I do apologize about the black lipstick on my hand. I didn't stop in between taping. I got this brass Celtic bracelet. Very nice. All right, now there's these black wormies, so let's move these aside. See if I can get in here. See what's going on. I see these 4 things sticking up, which is silly. Okay, this right here. Let's see if I can open it up without using a scissor. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. Secret smudge oil. Absolutely beautiful labeling. Brass top on top. Very pretty. It smells very nice too. This is a gorgeous bottle. Very pretty. Then I see this here. Black satin sachet. Tied beautifully with a bow. I love these boxes so much. These are just so great. Okay. Ooh. 2 huge, maybe a Sardonyx. I'm not really good with crystals yet. This could be a serpentine, yellow jade. Not 100% sure. It's like a yellowy green. Could be a green opal as well. So we'll see how far off I really am at the end. We got those. These are nice size too. Okay. The side here. I see some incense sticks, which smell so good. I usually get about 8 sticks. Oh, it smells really nice. Really, really nice. Then I see Armabon Blessing Candle. And this is what it looks like. Beautiful. All the colors of fall. Oh, it smells like an apple-y. Very beautiful. Armabon Blessing Candle. And then we have Mabon Ritual Salts in this big container. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. These are very big salts, and it's got rose and I don't know what else herbs are in here, but it is. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you could smell that. That is amazing. Really amazing. Okay. I'm probably gonna end up dropping this because this is super heavy and big. Oh wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Celtic triquetra wooden altar. Oh wow. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a dark like cherry wood. Wow. Absolutely lovely. Oh my goodness. I love it. I don't have a little altar, like a traveling altar. You could bring this anywhere with you. Bring it outside, where you should be doing your Mabon ritual anyway. Oh, this is perfect. I believe that's it. Oh, no, there's one more thing in here. I'm amazed by this so much that I want to stop right here. And Harvest Tea organic. And it says Avena Dream Organic Tea. Pretty nice size. Has the ingredients in the back. Very cool. And I believe, yeah, that's everything. Wow. Well, I say this is an amazing deluxe box of Sugarmuse for September. So you got this beautiful altar. And then we got the awesome ritual salts, the incense sticks, the awesome beautiful smudge oil, this beautiful jar, the organic tea, the harvest tea, the Mabon ritual candle, the brass, I guess, I don't think it's copper, bracelet, beautiful altar decoration palisanto, the 2 stones, which I will find out what they are, 2 packages of herbs, the tarot, and the beautiful artwork. Now that is an awesome, awesome box. Wow. And then, of course, all your wonderful information. It is Celtic copper. It's a copper cuff bracelet. And the oracle card is from the Magical Spell Cards by Lucy Cavendish, or the Fairy Forest deck by Lucy Cavendish. So you either got one or other. I know mine's the magical, mine's not the fairy. Someone else might got a Fairy Forest deck. Owl charm, sunflower seeds, acorns. Okay, yellow aventurine. And the other one is a jasper, Conglomeraate, jasper. The candle, the artwork, the altar table. Dark berry and currant incense. That smells good as well. And it has your little information on Mabon. So that is Sugarmuses box for September. Absolutely love it. I'll leave you the information, guys, on the bottom. If you like this video, you can hit subscribe or hit the notification as well. Like I said, I'll leave the information on the bottom. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next month. See you later, guys.